What if AI could diagnose your car in 3 minutes with 85% accuracy for free? Meet Mechanic-Mitra, a multi-agent AI system that's revolutionizing automotive diagnostics. Traditional diagnostics take 45 to 90 minutes, cost $80 to $150, and have a 40% error rate with junior mechanics. The automotive industry faces a $65 billion crisis, with expert mechanics retiring and shops unable to scale. Mechanic-Mitra uses 4 specialized AI agents working together, just like a real auto shop. Visual Analysis Agent is the expert visual inspector. Audio Analysis Agent is the engine sound diagnostician. Chief Mechanic Agent is the master orchestrator. And Price Agent handles cost estimation. The secret? Multi-Modal Correlation. When the visual agent sees a worn gasket and the audio agent hears ticking, the chief mechanic knows hydraulic lifter failure. This correlation boosted accuracy by 42%. Let's see it in action. Watch as we diagnose this classic car with a mysterious ticking sound. Upload 1 image, 1 10-second audio clip. Run. In real time, agents work sequentially. Within 3 minutes, we get a comprehensive diagnosis with visual findings, audio analysis, root cause identification, and pricing estimates, complete with a professional PDF report, ready for customers. But here's what makes this special: agent memory. Every diagnosis gets stored and analyzed for patterns. After 50 diagnoses, the system learned that ticking plus gasket wear predicts hydraulic lifter issues with 87% confidence. It gets smarter over time. The results? Mind-blowing. 90% faster, 3 minutes versus 60 minutes. $0 per diagnosis on the free tier. 85% accuracy, validated against professionals. And $230,000 annual ROI for mid-sized shops. A mid-sized shop processes 375 diagnoses daily versus 8 with human mechanics. Mechanic-Mitra demonstrates everything required for this competition. Multi-agent system with 4 specialized agents. Agent memory with pattern learning. Custom tools like the PDF generator. And agent evaluation with 85% accuracy on 20 test vehicles. From demo to production ready in one system. Mechanic-Mitra, solving real problems with multi-agent AI. Thanks for watching. Check out the full notebook on Kaggle